Greetings to you all. Today I'm going to cook some food, some very Asian styled cooking. It's mostly Chinese, I think. It's some kind of a hybrid meal I've learned by myself to do, inspired by some recipes online. First we're going to heat this pan, which is already heated. I'm going to add just a bit of oil. You can add some sesame seeds, but I don't have that anymore, just to roast them with the garlic and a bit of chili pepper. Just put them there. Leave them to fry for a moment. Just drop the spoon. Okay. Fry them at medium heat with some salt and some pepper, which I hope to put right now. Yeah, on the Chinese food you don't need to complicate things. You should just use basic condiments. What we have here are some carrots made with this peeler over here. You can have all sorts of machines for that, but I'm not that advanced in cooking technology. So we have those, like spaghettis. These carrots like spaghettis, which we are going to put there. But first we are going to add the eggs. Very, very soon. Add the eggs like this. Basically it's mostly just an omelette, but you don't leave it to solidify. Just make it like this. Put also the carrots in. Like this. The eggs and the very thinly peeled carrots start to cook. You don't have to cook them for too long. After a while you can just put the parsley in. We have some boiled rice. It's brown rice, by the way. It's better for Asian cuisine and it's more healthier, but anyway. These are starting to get just a bit roasted. You can add some soy sauce besides the salt. Both are salty. I really like soy sauce. Usually I also put honey in Chinese food because I really like the contrasts, but now since we are doing it with eggs, I don't think it will fit very well, in my opinion. In my humble opinion. Basically this is the stuff which we are going to mix with the rice. We are just going to put the rice here like this and just gently stir it until we have a nicely mixed composure. You can add more soy sauce by taste. I don't have to taste it, I'm too experienced and I know it will be good. But basically you can leave it for a bit longer just to roast the rice more, but the rice is brown anyway, so it's pretty kind of crunchy anyway. And I believe this is all. You can serve it with some salad if you wish, but yeah, it's ready to go. Thanks for watching.